Hello, friends. This is Dave and his sister Ava. Let's play cars.
Yay! And my unicorn!
Okay, let's build a town. Dave loves learning about different countries.
Mom walks in with a big surprise.
Dad brings the travel bags for the journey.
Ava, let's jump.
Yay! Jumping is fun! Way!
Dad brings the travel bags.
Great, honey. We're almost ready.
Yay, I want to help pack.
Me too!
Everyone starts packing for the trip.
Okay, I'll pack my dresses. And I'll pack my shirts. Wow, cool airplane!
Thanks. Time to pack it.
Okay, in you go.
Ava, look at my airplane.
Wow, so cool! I need to pack my teddy.
My favorite teddy.
The family leaves home early in the morning. They travel to the airport in a taxi. Big airport appears ahead.
Look, Ava. Airplanes.
Ava waves happily.
The airport is busy and exciting.
Wow, look at that huge airplane.
It's so big!
I know, right? It's amazing.
I can't wait to fly.
They check in for their flight.
Yes, that's right.
Here are your boarding passes.
The luggage moves on the belt. It is time to board the airplane. Passengers wait patiently. Dave and Ava walk to the airplane.
Hello and welcome aboard.
Wow, look at the seats, Ava.
They're so colorful. I like the yellow ones.
They sit together by the window. Soon the airplane flies high. It goes faster and faster.
Dave says the clouds look soft.
Wow, they really do.
Let's pretend we're flying through them.
Yeah! They look like cotton.
The flight is calm and peaceful. Suddenly, something strange happens. I have to warn you all. A man walks to the front. Passengers begin to worry. What's happening?
I'm scared. Dave, I feel scared.
It's okay, Ava. I'm right here. Do not worry, Ava.
Mom and Dad stay calm.
I will control the airplane!
What? You can't!
Mommy?
The cabin becomes very quiet. The airplane continues flying. The government receives the message. They track the airplane. Police teams prepare to help. The airplane begins to land. Police wait safely on the runway. The airplane lands safely. Police surround the plane.
Passengers watch carefully.
Passengers watch carefully. Police stop the hijacker! No! Everyone is safe now. Passengers leave the airplane. Welcome back. Please proceed to the shuttle. Right this way, everyone. Passengers leave the airplane. Welcome back. Please proceed to the shuttle. Right this way, everyone. Dave and Ava feel safe again.
Mom!
Ava, my dear!
I missed you.
The family thanks the helpers.
You're very welcome. It's my pleasure.
They rest at the airport.
Dave and Ava, drink your juice.
It's so good.
That's the spirit, kids. They feel calm again.
Airplanes are amazing. Thank you for watching our adventure.